So what I'm gonna have to do is trim maybe, because like I think this opening might be 46 and a half. So I might have to trim a quarter inch.
I think it's like 48. 40,
They're almost finished. This is the
48.
tile installation.
You got it.
It's a nice tile they picked out.
2 foot.
So we'll be finished. Everything's painted. A few holes in the ceiling that we touch up and clean.
Well, it look pretty it's about that's less than 40. It's about bypass doors. They always make them either an inch and a half to 2 inches smaller than open.
We're back with cement board down there. It lasts forever. Hey, it's my friend.
You recording now?
I am. You're famous. The world class. World famous. You keep trying to cheat on me with my customers, man. We're gonna hunt y'all down. Keep trying to cheat on me with my customer. My customer's trying to steal my contractor. What's going on? All of them. No, I was messing with you. What Mr. Mason said he gonna. You heard what Mr. Mason said. He said he gonna steal you. I'm just messing with you though. We're gonna paint all this white. Do the final clean. We'll be ready to move the furniture back in tomorrow. And that's where we at.